Amazing people, hello and welcome again onto the channel. This is drip irrigation. As you can see, these are some of black nightshade. On Swahili, we say this is managu. One of the traditional vegetables here in Africa. Please welcome and enjoy the video. For those who love this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel because this is just the beginning of farm tours and adventures. Heading back to help in harvesting the black nightshade. Walking through these rows is not only therapeutic but also makes me love this kind of farming. To have this kind of farm needs hard work, dedication, and commitment. Also, at the same time, one should have passion in doing farming. This black nightshade or the African nightshade is one of the popular traditional vegetables here in Africa. And how does one plant this kind of black nightshade? Having quality seedlings or seeds, prepare a nursery bed. Then from a nursery bed, the seedlings will take almost 1 month before being transplanted to this side of drip irrigation. Organic farming not only provides with quality vegetables, but it also promotes zero use of chemicals in controlling pests and diseases in the farm. In that way, one will reduce the consumption of vegetables being sprayed with chemicals, some which end up bringing diseases or complications to one's health. So I will encourage farmers to go organic way of farming. How do we get the manure which is used on this farm. Manure is being prepared in a compost pit. Second way is by keeping chicken, goats, sheep, that even rabbits to give manure to this farm. Farming not only sustains us with food security, but it is also a source of income. In Kenya, agriculture is the backbone of the economy. Thus, farming is key in any developing nation. Farming is also a source of employment to some of the professions such as agronomists, irrigation engineering officers, extension officers, surveyors, veterinaries, and so many other professions in this kind of farming or industry. With smart farming, one will produce more with minimal effort by using some of the machineries such as tractors in making the work easier, and many more other machines in milking and in other sectors of farming. Harvesting this black nightshade takes some time, but one has to be patient to have quality meals on the table. It can be prepared and served in a combination of ugali or other meals. Harvesting this black nightshade is not only an exercise, but it's also another way of connecting with nature. And for the nature lovers, you will have this kind of content and many more to come. Please consider subscribing, liking, and also commenting below. This is a cotton type of soil, thus it retains water for a long period of time, but also it needs more water during dry season, not like loam soil. How do we do weeding in between these lines? You can use a jembe or just uproot with your bare hands, since no chemical being used on this farm, since we encourage organic farming. Land is being prepared during a dry season to help in drying up of some of the weeds which are being notorious during the rain season. This is the beauty of having fresh vegetables from the farm to the table. Amazing, done with harvesting this black nightshade. We will be heading to another section which has spinach and kales on the other side of the farm. Welcome to this other side of the farm where spinach is growing very well. Let's head and start harvesting.
amazing. If you loved this kind of content, please consider subscribing, liking, and remember to leave a comment below. Till next time, from boss 01 underscore KE, I say goodbye.